Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and if you are looking for a great raincoat, I would highly recommend this one from Kikibell. This is in their green. It's a size small, and I will say that it runs true to size with enough room to fit a sweater underneath or a jacket. I have on a pretty thick sweater, and this works perfectly. I love this because it's a great length. It covers down about mid-thigh. It's really comfortable. It is lightweight, easy to pack, and it has a couple drawstrings. One at my waist that I can cinch in, also one around the hood that comes in. We are taking a trip to Alaska, and so I definitely needed a great, durable, high-quality raincoat for that trip. It's stylish. This green color really pops. This is my favorite color, and it just looks so good on so many skin tones. It has this really nice striped design on the inside, which adds a stylish feature. And also I love that the neck comes high enough all the way up, and then with your hood on, no rain is going to penetrate and make you cold. The pockets make it easy to put your hands in or to put a phone, car keys, whatever you need. And it is waterproof. It's easy to put on. I really like the plastic zipper. I don't struggle with it at all, and it's very comfortable. So if you're looking for a great raincoat that you can wear on your outings, I would highly recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.